Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 8 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about Yazra data tables, Excel and CSV export buttons. So let's see how can we add Excel and CSV export buttons to the Yazra data table. So in previous video, we have created this Yazra data table. Alright, now let's add export CSV and export Excel button to this data tables. Alright. So for that, first of all, let's install the package. So switch to the command prompt, and here just type the command for installing the package, which is composer space required space Yazra slash Laravel dash data tables. Right, dash buttons. Alright, now press enter. Alright, package has been installed. Now let's make some configuration. So switch to the project and just go inside the config directory, and from here just open app.php file, and inside this file just go inside the providers array, and here just add Yazra data tables slash buttons service provider. Alright, column class, and now save this file. And now let's publish the configuration. So switch to the command prompt, and here just type the command php artisan vendor publish space dash dash tag is equal to data tables dash buttons. Alright, now press enter. Publishing complete. Now switch to the project and just go inside the employee data tables. So just click on app database data tables, just open employee data tables.php. Alright, and inside this file just go inside builder function, and inside this builder function just add here DOM, and inside this DOM just add here capital B F R tip. Alright, and here just add the buttons, and inside this buttons just add here button make, and just add here the Excel. Alright, and one more button for the CSV. So just write here button make, and just write here CSV, and here just add semicolon. Now save this file. Now go to the employee.blade.php file. So just click on resources, then views, and from here just open employee.blade.php file. Alright, and inside this file let's add button extension CDN. Okay, so just go to the browser, and here just open cdn.datatables.net. Alright, and now click on Bootstrap 4, and here you can see the button extension. Alright, and from here just copy the CSS and DGJS. Alright, so first copy this CSS, and inside the employee.blade.php file here just add the link tag and just paste here. Alright, and now copy this JS, and after this just add here a script and just paste here. Alright, and last one just copy and just type here a script src and paste here. Now after this just add here a script tag script src, and here just add slash vendor slash data tables slash buttons dot server dash site dot js. Alright, now close the script tag. Vendor data tables buttons dot server dash site dot js. Alright, now save this file. Okay, so now all set. So let's check. So first of all, run the application. So just write here php artisan serve. Now press enter. Now switch to the browser and just refresh the page. And here you can see Excel button and CSV button. Okay, now just click on Excel and you can see Excel file created, and just open this file. You can see here the record. Okay, now just click on CSV file downloaded and just open this, and you can see here the records. Right, so in this way you can add Excel and CSV buttons to the Yazra data tables. So that's all about Yazra data tables, Excel and CSV export buttons. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.